In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automatic check-ins in Basecamp. Let's get started. First, open your project and go to Automatic Check-ins. This is where you create scheduled questions that are sent to your team automatically to collect regular updates. Next, click Add a Question. This is where you define what you want your team to report on. Keep your questions simple and clear so people can answer quickly and consistently. Now, type your question. For example, you can ask, "What did you work on today?" for daily updates, or "What are your top priorities this week?" for weekly planning. Make sure the question clearly guides what kind of response you expect. You can also specify formatting if needed, such as asking for bullet points or a short summary. This helps keep responses organized and easy to read. After that, choose who should receive the check-in and how often it should be sent. You can set it to daily, weekly, or monthly depending on your workflow. Make sure the frequency matches how your team actually works. Once everything is set, click Save. Basecamp will now automatically send the check-in questions and collect all responses in one place. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic check-ins in Basecamp. This helps your team stay aligned, reduces unnecessary meetings, and keeps progress visible without extra effort.